Dehler yachts have a distinct personality and encompasses an impressive choice of boat sizes, from 30 to 46 feet. Focused on quality manufacturing and true German engineering, this brand was acquired by the Hanse Group, alongside other premium brands like Privilege and Moody. In this episode, we'll look at our top list of their latest and best monohull sailing yachts, to help you pick out the best option. We've compiled a great list of the most exciting value options, so watch until the end, to see which Dehler yacht took the top spot. Willi and Heinz Dehler opened Dehler yachts in the 1960s in the old Dehler shipyard. A Dehler is made so that it can sail in many different ways and do so efficiently. Fast cruisers and Dehler boats have a great mix of performance and comfort. They are exquisitely decorated, have a lot of space, and are perfect for a weekend getaway with the family. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your source of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. Starting at number 5 is the Dehler 31 design. It's a no-compromise double-handed offshore boat that is made to be as fast and comfortable as possible. The watercraft is 33 feet and 10 inches long, while the beam is 10 feet and 9 inches. It has a maximum engine horsepower of 10, and a gross weight of 6,173 pounds. Moreover, it has approximately 7 gallons of fuel capacity, and 10 gallons of water capacity. The vacuum-infused E-glass hull is long and straight, with sharp corners at the back. This makes the boat more stable and easier to see on the water. The boat's interior was made with light, removable parts, so that it could be ready to race at any time. The crew has a double bed in the forepeak and 2 single beds in the back. You can also sleep on the 2 benches in the saloon. The Dehler 31 design is priced at close to $180,000. At number 4 is the Dehler 34. It's a very versatile yacht that can do anything you want from a real sailing boat. The watercraft is 35 feet and 1 inch long, while the beam is 11 feet and 10 inches. It has a maximum engine horsepower of 21, and a gross weight of 13,227 pounds. Moreover, it has approximately 42 gallons of fuel capacity, and 55 gallons of water capacity. You can choose the wood finish, floorboards, and upholstery for your Dehler 34 so that it is just the way you want it. Beautifully curved door frames, solid teak companionway steps, deep Korean fiddles, and high-quality fittings give you the feeling that quality is more important than compromise. A large cockpit locker on the port side gives you a lot of space to store things, like a small cell wardrobe or folding bikes. You can get to it from the cockpit or the heads. The interior is big and well designed, making it a great place to live. The structural subframe is heavily reinforced with carbon to make it strong and stiff without adding weight. The Dehler 34 is worth over $222,000. The Dehler 38 SQ enters at number 3. It was introduced in 2013 and has become an iconic cruiser racer for those seeking to maximize cruising speeds without sacrificing comfort. The watercraft is 38 feet and 2 inches long, while the beam is 12 feet and 4 inches. Its engine option can be configured to have a maximum of 29 horsepower, and it has a gross weight of 16,534 pounds. It has approximately 42 gallons of fuel capacity and 77 gallons of water capacity. The Dehler 38 SQ provides the opportunity to enhance both sailing performance and comfort. Larger hull windows, an island berth design in the forward cabin, higher trim levels, and new finish options create a truly inviting and premium interior. High-tech materials allow the hull to be strong and rigid without being overly heavy, and high-quality deck equipment makes sailing easy to control. Multiple rigs and sail adjustments will enable you to get the most out of the hull shape, but not at the expense of a comfortable, well-lit, and detailed cockpit. The Dehler 38 SQ costs over $270,000. The Dehler 42 is sailing at number 2. It's also the first model in the current lineup to feature an epoxy-infused vacuum mold hull to ensure serious strength and stiffness. The watercraft is 42 feet and 2 inches long, while the beam is 12 feet and 10 inches. It has a maximum engine horsepower of 29, and a gross weight of 20,062 pounds. Moreover, it has approximately 42 gallons of fuel capacity, and 78 gallons of water capacity. It has a huge cockpit, a spacious owner's cabin up front, and seemingly endless storage space. Every Dehler is built to order, and the list of available options is extensive, so you can get what you want. Quality is standard, but if you're primarily concerned with comfort, the watercraft can be customized to maximize this aspect. You can specify a carbon mast, additional rig tuning options, a performance rudder blade, and even interior materials with low weight and high strength. The Dehler 42 has a base price of over $300,000. Before we move on to our top choice, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share some of your boating stories and adventures down below. Finally, at number 1 is the Dehler 46 SQ. It's the culmination of Dehler's nearly 6 decades of yacht design experience. The watercraft is 48 feet and 5 inches long, while the beam is 14 feet and 3 inches. It has a maximum engine horsepower of 51, and a gross weight of 25,535 pounds. This boat has approximately 55 gallons of fuel capacity, and 119 gallons of water capacity. New rigs, a flat furler, and an optional flying forestay ensure a capable and exhilarating sail. The level of trim and quality of finish is the best in the fleet and on our lineup. The Dehler 46 SQ represents the pinnacle of Dehler's design legacy, and it includes some outstanding new features. The redesigned cockpit area feels clean and uncluttered, with fewer plastic components and more items stowed out of sight in the halyard boxes. When not in use, an integrated footrest provides additional comfort for those with longer legs at the helm, and folds flush with the deck. Adding a new, lighter, remote-controlled bathing platform, a streamlined arch, and even a backlit logo, enhances the feeling of luxury on board. The Dehler 46 SQ can be purchased for over $390,000. Indeed, a Dehler yacht is made to give you the best sailing performance, the most fun, and the freedom to cruise in various sailing conditions. Have you found the perfect sailing yacht for your next boating adventure? Tell us in the comments section which one here has the right mix of value and features. Did we miss anything? Share your comments down below, and subscribe, so you won't miss the next one. Thank you for your support, and, as always, smooth sailing.